Imagine a factory that never sleeps, a factory where the lights are turned off, not because it's closed, but because the workers don't need eyes to see. Welcome to the Ghost Factory. In 2025, the industrial blueprint has been completely reimagined. We are no longer talking about robots assisting humans on an assembly line. We are talking about the world's first fully AI automated factories, ecosystems where artificial intelligence is the designer, the manager, and the worker. From the moment raw materials enter the building to the second a finished product is loaded onto an autonomous truck, not a single human hand touches the process. Today, we're taking you inside the walls of the future. Welcome to Blueprint Insights. Today, we go inside the world's first fully AI automated factory and see what it means for the future of humanity. The brain of the operation. In a traditional factory, the floor is a place of noise, chaos, and human error. In the AI automated factory, the floor is a masterpiece of digital logic. At the center of it all is the factory brain, a centralized neural network that oversees every millimeter of the facility. This AI doesn't just follow instructions, it optimizes in real time. It monitors the temperature of every motor, the speed of every belt, and the precision of every weld. This is called predictive orchestration. If a robotic arm is about to fail, the AI detects the microscopic vibration hours before it happens, orders its own replacement part, and schedules a repair during a 10-second gap in production. Efficiency isn't just a goal here, it's a mathematical certainty. The blueprint of manufacturing has shifted from how many units can we make to how perfect can every unit be. The end of offshoring. For decades, the global economy was built on the search for cheap labor. Factories were moved across oceans to find the lowest wages, but in 2025, the AI automated factory has ended the era of offshoring. When your labor cost is effectively zero and your factory can run 24 hours a day, 365 days a year without a single break, the geography of production changes. We are seeing a massive wave of reshoring, factories moving back to the United States and Europe. Why? Because being close to the consumer is now more important than being close to cheap labor. These ghost factories can produce highly customized products at a speed and cost that human-staffed factories simply cannot match. This is a total reset of the global supply chain. The wealth of nations is no longer tied to their population size, but to their compute capacity and robotic density. The human role in a ghost world. So, where did the humans go? If a factory that once employed 5,000 people now requires a team of 5 AI engineers, what happens to the workforce? The blueprint of work is being rewritten. We are moving from physical labor to system design. The role of the human in 2025 isn't to build the product, but to build the system that builds the product. We are seeing the rise of the industrial architect, individuals who manage fleets of factories from a laptop in a different city. But this transition isn't easy. It requires a level of technical skill that the old education system wasn't designed for. The AI factory is a monument to human ingenuity, but it is also a stark reminder of the speed at which our world is changing. The machines have taken the floor. Now humans must take the lead in strategy. The fully AI automated factory is no longer a dream of science fiction. It is the backbone of the new economy. It represents the ultimate triumph of efficiency over effort. As we move deeper into 2025, these ghost factories will become the standard, not the exception. At Blueprint Insights, our mission is to show you the plans before the structures are even built. The world is being automated, and the question is, will you be a spectator or will you be the one designing the future? Subscribe to Blueprint Insights to stay ahead of the industrial revolution. The lights may be off in the factory, but the future has never been brighter. Thank you for watching.